If you're working on a project and you want to get free sound effects for your timeline, make sure you're on the edit page and then go up to Sound Library, press download, a browser window will open, fill in all your details and press next. Scroll to the bottom, accept the terms and conditions, register and download. And then your zip file will start downloading. Then you want to quit DaVinci Resolve, open your downloads folder, extract the zip file, delete the zip file, run the installer, double click install Fairlight Sound Library, accept all the terms and conditions, close the installer and all the windows, open up DaVinci Resolve, select your project. If you've loaded it and you don't see a library, just click on this symbol here and then choose the Fairlight Sound Library and it should appear. Then just use the search bar. Click on the track, press the play to preview it, and you can drag it onto your timeline. If you want to see all of the effects, put in the asterisk 3 times and it will bring up every single sound effect in the library.